to another person, I will be gracious. I will remain a person who respects everyone, and therefore I will not insult anyone. Be that as it may, the very fact I have been able to reach here to lead the Senate, notwithstanding my age, the fact that my parents are just poor mechanics, hustlers, yeah, in Muranga town. So I thank God and also the confidence my colleagues had in my leadership. The Bible tells us that the truth shall set us free.
Exactly.
The Bible also tells us Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were thrown in the fire, but they never get burned. Mr. Daniel was thrown in the lion's pit. Yeah, then, and was not eaten up by the lions. So notwithstanding whatever tribulations I am undergoing today, I will remain a person who is steadfast, who talks the truth. Because even the Bible tells us the truth shall set us free. What I wrote concerning BBI, I did not insult anyone. I did not at all belittle the government at all. I even offered solutions. But imagine, today I'm being kicked out just for speaking the truth. Surely, I think for me, to the best of my knowledge, BBI ought to be something to unite Kenyans.
Yeah.
BBI should be something that is to build bridges. It's about a consultative process. It's for every Kenyan, but it should not be for divided anyone. We should not divide this country. This country belongs to each and every Kenyan, but we should not use BBI to divide our people.
Thank you.
I'm now noticing that this problem seems to have started after handshake. Now imagine the guy of handshake becoming the president of this country. Imagine the kind of tribulation we'll be undergoing. I will only urge, I would only urge the government only one thing. In my letter, I had urged the government to take care of the people of Mount Kenya region. In particular, issues of coffee. Please hasten enactment of the coffee bill.